Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome arm workout to help you get rid of that pesky flab. Now you can do these with dumbbells or without. All right, so it's optional. It's for everybody. It's super fun, easy, effective. So let's get into it. All right, starting with our first exercise, 30 seconds of flex curls. So our arms are out to the side, palms facing up. And you know how you would like kind of flex those muscles like this? That's what we're gonna be doing. So coming up and then down. If you have dumbbells, your hands are probably gonna be closed, so you can go ahead and do it like that, or this first round with open hands like that. So squeezing as you come in. All right, I feel like with the fist, you could feel it squeeze a little bit more, so personal preference there, and then squeeze. All right, very good. Straight back, close that rib cage, tuck in that butt, tuck in that tummy. All right, our whole body is engaged, even though we're just moving our arms, all right? Big breath, and 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Next, we have a bent over fly. All right, feet are hip width apart, a little bend at the knees. You're gonna push those hips back, straight back, that's our bend over. All right, starting on the clock, 30 seconds, arms down, and they come up. All right, squeezing your back and shoulders as they come up, and then squeezing your chest as they come down. All right, very good. And this is our reverse fly. Big breath, exhale, very good. Remember to tuck in that tummy. All right, straight back. We want to avoid arching or being rounded over. All right, so nice straight back. You don't have to come all the way down. Be a little bit more up here at an angle, as long as that back is nice and straight. And 3, 2, 1, very good, shake it out. Next we have bent over alternating rows. So in that bent over position like before, all right, hands down. We're gonna bring one up at a time. All right, so alternating rows. For this first one, since we don't have the dumbbells, if you wanna do them both at the same time, that's okay. When we get those dumbbells, we're gonna alternate them. Squeezing your back, your shoulders, and your triceps. You should really be feeling this in your triceps, okay? Very good. Check those points, those proper posture points, all right? Tummy, back, shoulders pushed away from ears, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and up, shake it out, very good. Last but certainly not least, we are going to do front punches, all right? We're gonna fight away fat, we're gonna fight away disease, we're gonna fight away all the bad vibes, all right? So put them up and 30 seconds alternating that punch. Very good, you should have a nice bend in the knees, no locked knees, all right? You're in ready position. Very good. Big breath, awesome job. Trust me, with the dumbbells, this gets a little bit harder, but this is great either way, all right? For all levels. Awesome job, chin up. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Awesome job, guys. Go ahead, grab water, take a second, catch your breath, get your dumbbells if you're gonna use those, and I'll see you in a few seconds.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, set number 2, you know what to do, so I zip it, starting with our flex curls. In position, 30 seconds, let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good. Right to our bent over flies. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Stand up for a second, wiggle it out, and right over in that bent position for alternating rows. And let's go. Keep those elbows close to your body. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Stand up, roll those shoulders back, front punches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! There we have it. 2 sets done and dusted. Awesome job. Put down your weights for a second. Take a second, grab some water, and we're gonna crush set number 3. Alrighty, set number 3, big breaths, proper posture. You got this. Starting with our flex curls. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Right to our bent over flies. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Stand up for a second, wiggle it out, and right over in that bent position for alternating rows. And let's go. Keep those elbows close to your body. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Stand up, roll those shoulders back, front punches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Alrighty, my beautiful people. That was it. 3 sets of your awesome workout for arm flab. I hope you liked it, with or without dumbbells. Let me know in the comments below. And then don't forget to check out our channel, our other videos. We have it all. Indoor walking routines, belly fat challenges, recipes, everything, all right? So go ahead, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and I hope to see you on the next one.